Use the following trinomial to derive the quadratic formula.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Akibi Academy. Given the quadratic equation, to begin, I'm going to subtract both sides with a c because I want to get rid of the constant right there. So it's going to look like ax squared plus bx. If I subtract c on this side, it's going to be 0. I'm going to have a negative c on the right side. Now I'm going to eliminate the a because I want the coefficient of the x squared term to be 1. Right, so I'm going to divide by a, divide each term by a, and same thing on the right hand side by a. A is going to cancel out. I'll be left with x squared plus b divided by a. X term is equal to negative c divided by a. Using the method of completing the square, pretty much you use the coefficient of the x term, you divide it by 2 or multiply by half and square all of that. So it's going to look like this: x squared plus, I'm going to repeat this term, it's going to be ax. To do this, I'm going to multiply by half, so it's going to be plus b divided by 2a, all of this squared. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side, right? So I'll have negative c divided by a plus the b divided by 2a all squared, alright? With the method of completing the square, like I said, so now this can be rewritten as x plus a divided by 2a, all of this squared, is equal to, I'm going to rewrite this, right? B squared divided by 4a squared, right, minus the c divided by a. I just rewrote it, right? X bx divided by 2a multiplied by 2, and then this term squared is going to be this. So if we expand this, it's going to give us this term. Alright, to take care of this square term, I'm going to apply the square root of both sides. Alright, apply the square root of both sides. I will be left with x plus the b divided by 2a. Alright, it's equal to the square root of this term b squared minus c divided by a, and this divided by 4a. Alright, before a squared, correction, 4a squared, alright, so if you say 4a squared, in here is going to be 1, we're going to be left with b squared minus 4a squared, here is going to be 4ac, okay, remember we still have the square root sign, alright, with this term, it stays the same, plus the b and 2a, now we're looking for x, alright, even we're looking for x, what we can do, I'm going to subtract both sides of the equation with b divided by 2a. Doing so is going to eliminate a here, right? Then I'm going to be left with this term, or the denominator has a square root, right? The square root of 4a squared is just 2a, so I could just root b squared minus 4ac, right? This is divided by 2a, and when we subtract both sides, it's going to be a negative b divided by 2a. Both of them have the same denominator, so we could just, add the numerator. Remember, it's a plus or minus, alright? All of these terms are plus or minus, alright? So I'm just going to rewrite it, the final one, which is going to be x is equal to, I'll just rewrite this, right? That's a negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, alright? All of these divided by 2a. And this is the formula we've proven.